Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome to another edition of our Crypto Layer 1 Layer 2 newsletter, where we dive deep into the dynamic world of digital currencies. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, we are here to guide you through the twists and turns of the blockchain universe. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Solana's rally marshaled by buyers from Coinbase, data shows. In the last couple of weeks, Solana's token has seen a whopping 50% rally, and guess who's leading the charge? Coinbase, the Nasdaq-listed digital assets exchange, is showing some serious bullish behavior for Solana, according to data from Paris-based Kaiko. Since October 25th, Solana's cumulative volume delta (CVD) on Coinbase has jumped by nearly 1 million, signaling strong capital inflows. This metric measures the net difference between buying and selling volumes, and right now is screaming buyer's paradise on Coinbase. However, it's not just Coinbase. Binance and Kraken are also showing positive vibes early this week. However, on the South Korean exchange Upbit, the mood is a bit different, with a negative trend for 2 weeks. Here's where it gets interesting. The median order size on Coinbase has been notably larger than on other exchanges. This could mean that big players, possibly institutions, are placing their bets on SOL through Coinbase. Adding to the excitement, Van Eck, a heavyweight in the institutional asset management arena, has released a report with a bullish scenario for SOL, talking about a potential future where Solana becomes the go-to blockchain for applications with over 100 million users, which could see SOL's price to a dizzying 3,200 by 2030. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Despite the price rally, on-chain activity hasn't quite caught up. The total value locked in Solana-based DeFi protocols has actually dipped to its lowest since April 2021. And while there's been a slight uptick in decentralized exchange volume and active addresses, it's not quite in line with the price gains. So, what's the verdict? Solana's price is definitely on the move, but whether this is sustainable without the on-chain activity to back it up remains to be seen. Will the buyers keep marching in, or is this rally more of a flash in the pan? Stay tuned to find out. Remember to follow our newsletter if you are enjoying our content, and do spread the joy, as the first 10 members who get 10 referrals will receive a free Bitcoin Millionaire mug. The first 5,000 people to subscribe to our free newsletter will also receive limited edition NFTs that will provide free lifetime access to our members area and newsletter when we create premium features. Get your friends and family on board before it's too late. The NFTs will begin distribution once the newsletter hits 5,000 members. Until next time, Crypto Explorers. As we wrap up this edition, we want to thank you for being an integral part of our community. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is as vast as it is thrilling, and we are honored to be your compass in this digital frontier. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay awesome. See you in the next edition. Keep hodling and shining.